Imagine a time thousands of years ago, when Earth was shrouded in mystery. Brave Australian natives cut through the vast ocean with simple wooden boats to reach the lush Amazon jungle. This isn't just a fairy tale. Science unveiled this secret in 2015. In this breathtaking and astonishing adventure, we dive into one of history's strangest genetic discoveries, a connection linking the DNA of Amazon natives to Australians. This finding shakes old theories of human migration and even questions religious beliefs, human origins, and the existence of lost civilizations. If your heart beats for exploring the depths of history, turn on that bell and join us now. Like it and get ready for a journey that brings forgotten civilizations to life and leaves you in awe. Let's start from the roots of this astonishing mystery. Official history tells us that 15 to 20,000 years ago, humans stepped into America via the Bering Strait, now buried underwater. This theory is built on bones, ancient tools, and DNA analysis. But wait a moment. Everything changed in 2015 with a mind-blowing discovery. A team of top scientists led by Pontus S. Juklin from Harvard University meticulously examined the DNA of hundreds of Amazon tribes like Surui and Karitanya. The result? A huge shock. About 2% of their DNA traces back to native Australians, New Guineans, and Melanesians. This points to a shadow population, a mysterious group that split from Southeast Asia thousands of years ago. Now, my question is, how did this happen? Scientists believe this group reached America about 15,000 years ago with basic boats, traveling coastal routes or island to island, not directly from Australia since the distance exceeds 15,000 kilometers, but from an ancient genetic branch that branched off from Asia. This discovery reverberated like an explosion in the journal Nature. But the story isn't limited to genetics. Legends enter the narrative too. Amazon natives and ancient tribes like Zuni and Hopi share tales of lost worlds and migrations that came from the sky or underground. These might be living memories of those ancient migrations. For instance, Hopi culture claims this is the fourth world created. Could this hint at the fall of past civilizations? But why is this discovery so hot and exciting? Because it reveals that migration to America wasn't just from the north. New studies in 2021 from the White Sands site in New Mexico uncovered footprints from 23,000 years ago, far earlier than the Bering Strait. This means southern and oceanic roots existed too. Now imagine civilizations that sailed in, crafted tools, built cultures, and perhaps vanished without a trace. Some believe these evidences were concealed. In the 1930s, giant skeletons were found in America and mysteriously vanished. Could a truth be hidden from us? Though science debunks these claims, my question remains, if ancient civilizations were more advanced than we think, why is there no trace left? Moreover, strange tools and inscriptions found in remote American regions tell other stories. For example, stones with symbols resembling unknown languages spark theories about prehistoric visitors. Could these indicate civilizations that existed before today's natives? Newer genetic research suggests this DNA link might be broader than we first thought. Perhaps more migration routes from the Pacific to America remain undiscovered. Dear friends, this discovery rewrites history from scratch. Religious beliefs claiming humans originated from a single point must now reconsider. Perhaps human roots are filled with unknown twists, civilizations that rose from the ocean, created cultures, and vanished overnight. Science is unraveling these secrets, but many unanswered questions lie ahead. What's your opinion? Write in the comments. Does this point to a lost civilization, or just a genetic fluke? If you enjoyed this adventure, hit the like button, share it with your friends, and turn on the bell. Until our next adventure, stay the guardian of history's secrets.